This video will guide you on how to create a new Gmail account and a new YouTube channel. Now go to your Gmail account, click on your profile and choose add another account. Okay, then here you choose Google account and wait for it to load. Okay, it's taking a bit time. Okay, choose create account and choose for my personal use. Here you put in your first name and your last name depending on the names you want to use. After doing this, click on next, and then the next thing that will come out will be your date of birth. Please put your correct date of birth. Okay, it's still loading. Here your date of birth, I've repeated mine. After choosing this, you choose your Gmail account. If you don't want the one on the screen, you can choose create your own Gmail address. So you use your own special link, your own unique names, and then you put in your password and click on next. That is how you create a new Gmail account. Now we are going to use here, my phone is just asking me to save it, okay, so that I can save my password and my in my account, my phone. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do is when you click on next, you will see the Gmail terms and policy. You click on I agree. Okay, you can go through it. Okay, most people don't go through it, but at least I went through it. I'm just trying to make this video short. When you click on I agree, allow you to load, and that is how you can see the new one there, Chioma Gold Undudim. It has been created, and that is how you can create multiple accounts. Now let's move over to YouTube channel. After selecting your profile, click on switch accounts. Here you're going to see all the Gmail accounts that you have. Okay, yes, these are mine, and this is the new one, the Chioma Gold Undudim. So I want to use it to open a new YouTube channel. So when I click on it, this is what you will see. When you click on your new fresh Gmail account, this is what you will see. Okay, allow it to load, and then click on the profile picture again, and this is going to come out. To set this up, we'll click on create channel, and this will come out. You edit your profile picture, click on it, choose your preferred profile picture, allow it to load, or whatever you want to use for your profile picture. Please, before doing the, make sure you know what your channel is about, what your channel is for. Now the next thing we're going to do is to choose the name for our channel. This is how I created a new YouTube channel. Okay, and just the channel is just for a particular niche, for social media growth, social media success. Okay, things that I have mastered over the years. Okay, I'm going to be putting them on this new channel. So that is why I'm creating this. So at this point I was still thinking, should I use social media growth or social media success? So I finally use social media success, and when you are sure what you want, you save it and go down to your handle. Okay, and click on the pencil icon to edit it. This will be a perfect time to like this video and subscribe to this channel. When you click on the pencil icon, yes, it's going to come up for you to edit it. So I'm going to you continue trying until you get the one that's Facebook, sorry, YouTube will accept. Okay, so this is the one that accepted for me, and it's something I can remember. It's easy for me to. Okay, then you click on create channel. That is as simple as that. That is how you create a new YouTube channel. Now after doing this, your channel has been created. The next thing I would advise you to do is to optimize your channel. That you're going to be needing a YouTube studio for that. So this is our new channel. Because I'm yet to watch any video using this channel, that is why the interface is like this, the home feed. Now I'm going back to my profile to open my channel dashboard. I just click on my name there and wait for it to load. Okay, so this is how it's going to be when you just open it. So after this, the next thing is to optimize your account using your YouTube studio. Okay, thank you so much for staying to the end. Please do well to like this video, subscribe this video, and share to your family and friends. I would like to open up a new YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section what other video you want me to make for you. Bye for now. See you in my next video.